I'm Nicole and I'm an aerostructures team member. I reckon other people should join HPR or even just any student team just because it enhances your uni experience. Otherwise you're just like, you feel like you're doing your degree, but at times you don't really feel like you're applying your engineering knowledge. But as soon as you join HPR, all of a sudden you're using this knowledge, you're learning new things, you're seeing how this knowledge is like used in the real world, and you get to meet great people, you get to go to all these events, you get all these awesome experiences, and it's just like, uni is just so much better when you're on a student team. I've gained a lot from joining HPR. Probably the biggest thing was I got to do a year of a TAFE course, a machining TAFE course, so I got hands-on experience using machinery that I could be using in the industry later in life. I have gone to several uni events, I've gone to several outreach programs, so I've gone to schools to discuss rocketry and aid children and teenagers in building rockets and just learning about rockets, which has all been pretty fun. So at the moment we're working on our competition rockets for next year, which will be flying in, I believe, April and September. As aerostructures, we basically build the entire structure of the rocket. So as it is, we've been purchasing our nose cones because they're too big for us to 3D print, and recently we've decided that we want to make our own nose cones. So we're working on a new way of moulding nose cones from fiberglass, which will be both strong and practical and cheaper than purchasing them, as well as allowing us to make any suitable modifications to our nose cones to fit the rockets better. Well, I was never intending on joining HPR in the first place, but then in one of my lectures, Megan, our previous team lead, she came in and she was doing like a presentation about HPR, and I was just sitting there thinking, this looks so interesting. This looks so much better than just doing because I was intending on just doing my degree and then getting out of uni, and then I was thinking, this looks actually quite fun, so maybe I should give it a go. So in my next class, instead of listening, I was actually doing an application for HPR, and I ended up getting in, and then I found that it was so much fun. It made my uni life just so much better. All of a sudden it was no longer just come to class, go home, do my homework. It was like I was a part of a team. I was doing something that was actually more interesting. I was coming to uni events, I was meeting new people. All of a sudden, every lecture I went to, there was someone there that I knew.